Okay, this is a review of the Samsung 28 cubic foot French door fridge. It was available in 2015-16 as a new model, and it's quite popular. I'm gonna switch over the angle this way. Alright, so first we'll begin with the top doors. To give you an idea of the inside, it has a top rack, medium rack, and this rack can actually come out so that you can extend it, put it back. Some people have tall items that are over a foot. That's the purpose of that. Each of these racks, as you can see, can be put manually at different levels. There's a lot of space in here, and then it has this vegetable and fruit humidity control chamber, which is great. You can put the humidity to high or to low. There's two of them. What I like about this is that it's a twin cooling system, which cools really fast and it's productive and efficient for regulating internal temperature, unlike some other fridges. Also, it has LED lighting, white full spectrum or white light, which is great because it increases and enhances visibility of products, and it saves on electricity. This is the model that also has an ice maker, and it's in here, goes down that tube. There's a lot of space. That's one door. This is another door. There's a full shot. Now, what's interesting about this, and there's the water filter. It's a filter you remove every 6 months or so. There's a middle door down here, which is great for kids and also for efficiency. Because every time you open the fridge and you want to grab a juice, a wine bottle, or Pepsi or something, you don't have to open the large doors. So it's very productive. Now the interesting thing with this is you can actually move this about. It has a secondary slider, so you can make compartments. You can put one type of food ingredient there. You can lay your wine down here, and if I had a can I would show you, but essentially you can put cans of pop up or even beers. They stand up, there's sufficient space. The clearance is about 6 inches, I think. What's interesting with this is the temperature control can be set to a wine. Oh, from here. Wine. Well, that's meat and fish -1. It's just below 0 to barely freeze. Wine parties 5 degrees. Deli cold. Well, I keep it at 1 degree because it's not 0, so it won't expand and explode or freeze, but it's very cold. It's typically 3 or 4 degrees colder than the top. Now, let me get to this, the freezer compartment. There's a lot of storage space for the freezer. You can put as much as you want. These move. This whole piece also comes off to wash. There's a secondary door here for, pizza slices and all that. There's also a compartment here. So that's the freezer. It's very efficient. You can regulate the temperature with this electronic device or this electronic menu. There's also an alarm. If the doors are left open, it goes off, that you can set. The temperature can be changed from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The freezer temperature can be changed. 21, 22. That's pretty cold. So -15 to -21, which is ultra deep freeze or deep freeze. The fridge setting, let's see. 1 is pretty cold. 7. The average fridge setting is 4. That's the standard. So we have it here at Let's put it at 3. There's also lighting for the ice or water on the bottom. There's an ice maker. That's off. That's on. There's a little chime each time you press it. There's also energy saver mode, so that it's productive and efficient. So now it's set to water. Let me show you. We put some water here. This is the freezer. Or sorry, this is where you put the water. It's basically, you can see. So, she just drank some water. Now, for the ice, there's cubed. If you push it, you're supposed to hold it up here. So a lot of people want to see this. The ice cubes are sort of half circles. There's a lot of ice, and you can always take some out and store it. Now, we can change it to crushed by pushing that button, and watch what happens. It should get crushed out. So you can make a slushy or something that doesn't require large cubes. Kind of like little, almost like snowflakes, but there you go, that's the crushed ice. And that's it. So it's an excellent fridge, very good for people with a household of, let's say, 3 or more people, especially for bigger families, as you can store a lot. Let me just show you. It has a great freezer, a middle compartment for drinks, which enhances productivity, LEDs inside for the fridge, and a lot of space. And it's a great freezer from Samsung. I would give it at least an 8 out of 10. You can't really get any better than this. And that's it. Thank you.